Best cooking oil 5 liter. Number 5. AMRUTVA extra virgin cold pressed groundnut oil 5 liter. Approx price 1440 rupees. 100% pure extra virgin traditionally cold pressed groundnut oil made from selected premium quality groundnut. Only filtered oil with cotton cloths, rich in natural vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. 100% natural taste and aroma. Number 4. Kinsfolk Olive Oil 5 liter. Approx price 1363 rupees. Resistant to oxidation and evaporation. Better stability over a wide range of temperature. Stable physical and chemical properties. Number 3. DiSano Extra Light Olive Oil, ideal for Indian cooking 5 liter. Approx price 2327 rupees. Obtained from high quality Spanish olives. Zero cholesterol, low saturated fat. High in healthy fats, MUFA and PUFA. Extra light in aroma and flavor. High smoke points of 240 Celsius. Number 2. Saffola Active Pro Weight Watchers Cooking Oil 5 liter jar. Approx price 797 rupees. With low sorb technology, ensure your food absorbs up to 27% less oil. Blended edible oil is high in omega-3, alpha-linolenic acid. Saffola Active's dual seed technology. Fortified with vitamin A which helps against night blindness. Vitamin D which supports strong bones. The vegetable oil brings alive the natural flavor. Number 1. Fortune Sunlight Refined Sunflower Oil 5 liter can. Approx price 895 rupees. Waste. Light and healthy that is easy to digest. Rich in vitamins which keeps skin healthy. Strengthens the immune system. Good for the heart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.